Let's go to court now, where the third suspect involved in the botched hijacking that left 9-year-old Sardia Shukhraj dead appeared again in the Durban magistrate's court. The 32-year-old is facing 2 murder charges and 1 of kidnapping. The matter was postponed to today to allow the court to verify the physical address of the accused. Meanwhile, Police Minister Bheki Cele is expected to visit the family this afternoon. Sardia's father was driving her to school when he was allegedly accosted by the robbers at the driveway of their home. Robbers then sped off with his vehicle. Sardia, who was sitting at the back seat, was shot and later died in hospital. Meanwhile, residents of Chatsworth and Shallcross came together in their large numbers last night to speak out against the crime levels in the area. All right, let's get the latest now from our reporter Mlungisi Khumalo on that story. Mlungisi, a very good afternoon to a second appearance for the suspect today. What transpired in court today? Any special requests from the defendant today?
Well, a very good afternoon to our viewers at home as well as to you there, Alicia. Yes, again, he has made another request that he wants to be again kept at the Westville prison because he says he still fears for his life. In fact, another interesting request that he made was that he would like to abandon his bail application. So he made that very clear in front of attorney advocate, Mohammed Motala, saying that if ever the state allowed him to go out, he would be attacked by the community and eventually he would die. So today what happened in court is that the suspect was taken to his home in Marian Hill and he was told to identify his physical address and thereafter brought back into court and was told to come back on the 18th of July, where again he will be grilled by the magistrate court.
Mlungisi, was that request granted by the court?
Yes, the request was granted by the court. He will now spend his next 6 weeks before he makes his appearance at the Westville prison.
All right, Mlu, we also understand that the police minister was actually expected to visit Sardia's family today. Has he done so? And if you know, what did he have to say to the family?
Well, like I mentioned earlier on, that the family of Sardia is still very much distraught. They're still very shocked. In fact, they're still very, very angry, as well as the community of Shallcross, as well as Chatsworth. You'll also remember that last night, the community of Shallcross, as well as Chatsworth, met together to vent out their anger and frustrations. Among some of their frustrations were that there isn't enough police visibility in the area and that drugs as well as crime in the area has increased at an all-time high. These were some of the things that Minister Bheki Cele had. But now, going back to the visits of Sardia's family, Bheki Cele met with the father and the father raised their concerns, saying that if there were police in the area, the incidents that took place wouldn't have taken place. And thereafter, the Minister Bheki Cele assured them that they will have more men in blue in the area. And he also assured them that he's going to visit the police station and spoken to the police commanders and ensure that he will bring more manpower in the area and ensure that crimes are curbed in the area as well. But also quite interesting enough, Bheki Cele also told the community that the suspects that got away will be apprehended very soon. In fact, he said an arrest was imminent. So they also located his whereabouts, and it's just a matter of time before they make that arrest.
All right, thank you so much for that update. That is our reporter in Durban, Mlungisi Khumalo, on the line to us with an update on the court appearance of the botched hijacking in Durban that left a 9-year-old girl dead.